Hey everyone, it's Steve Schmid, owner-operator of Simple Pump Company. A couple weeks ago, we gave you guys a little teaser as to something big that we've been working on. Today, I'm going to introduce what it is. So let's first start out. We've got our normal hand pump here, okay? It operates just like it normally would, produces water just like we say it will. So let me show you what's going on in here. So what we showed you guys in the teaser was water being produced from the pump without any pumping action. And this right here, this is the key to that. This is a Workhorse solar submersible pump. So what we've done is we've actually created a valve that can go in between that solar submersible and our simple pump pumping cylinder so that we can do both through one single string of drop pipe. So there's still just one standard simple pump, hand pump installed in the well with that solar submersible on the bottom side of it. As you can see here, it's a simple controller. We've got a breaker to handle any kind of issues with the solar power coming in. But with this system, it's as easy as just turning the switch and it's on. So let's go back out and see what we've got. So we've turned on our switch. Now we're just waiting for this thing to spool up. And here it starts. It's a slow start, so you're going to see that volume start to increase. And now you've got constant flow water. All right, so I've turned the pump off. I kind of want to talk a little bit about what we got going on. So like I said, in the pump house, we've got an integration between these two pumps. We at Simple Pump have designed a valve that will allow us to pull water from the casing up through our pump when it's under vacuum, and then close when it's under pressure, so that when that solar submersible comes on, it can supply water up through the top of the system. These Workhorse pumps, it's a great American company, and they can run off of solar panel direct. They can run off of battery backup. Using a converter, they can run off of grid power. They can run off of generator power. So any kind of power that's available, whether it be grid related or even your off-grid solution, you're going to be able to run this submersible pump. Now the great thing about this solution versus the drive systems, the DC we had before at Simple Pump, is that, as you can see, you got both a hand pump and a DC pump at the same time, right? Because your hand pump still works. And you go flip a switch. You don't have to change over the hand pump from that drive system. So again, we're very excited about this solution. So Workhorse pumps are available through Workhorse certified installers. So that will include Workhorse's list of installers around the United States and elsewhere, as well as the Simple Pump dealer network and our installers. All right, so this is the W2H. So this is what I've actually got installed here on my well. It's the Workhorse 2-inch in diameter submersible pump. One of the beautiful things about Workhorse is that they have this 2-inch submersible, which means that, like with our pump, when you can actually fit it alongside of your electric submersible, you're also going to be able to add this solution in. There are going to be some restrictions on 4-inch wells. You're going to probably have to have 1-inch drop pipe on your electric submersible to get this in there as well. But anything bigger than that with 1.25 inch pipe should work just fine. So basically, this is the submersible pump. We've got our valve that goes here, and then the simple pump goes on and then up to the surface with the drop pipe. Very, very beautifully made, high quality piece of equipment. Again, we're really excited about partnering here with Workhorse. So if you're interested in this type of solution, then you just got to contact us and we'll get you connected. These are going to be retrofittable to any version of Simple Pump, whether you bought it in 1999 or you bought it a week ago. We've got conversion kits and the valve to be able to function in both of those scenarios, or all of those scenarios. So just excited to communicate this great integration. We will be able to start selling these integrated solutions, the valves that are required, as well as become a distributor for Workhorse to our dealer network beginning of April. So more to come. You'll start to see changes on our website. We're going to communicate all this to our dealers, get them prepared so that they're ready to respond to you guys wanting this new great integrated solution. So we appreciate you being patient. We're really excited about this, and don't forget to subscribe.